Anyone can quote your EV charger install. Not everyone is licensed to do it. Here is how I would check before signing anything.
2 checks matter most. Your state contractor board runs a public license lookup, and the EVITP directory shows if the installer is certified for EV equipment. Grounded, plain-spoken, confident, a little dry. Not a salesman, not hyped. Then ask 5 questions. Show me the load calculation you ran on my panel. Are you certified for EV equipment? Will you pull the permit yourself? What circuit size are you proposing? And what happens if the inspector asks for a change? Grounded, plain-spoken, confident, a little dry. Not a salesman, not hyped. A real licensed installer answers all 5 without hesitation. If the answers are vague, get a second bid. And run your own load calc before they run their bid. It makes your questions sharper. evchargeright.com